Hey everyone, we are back with another video. Today's content is super fascinating and will definitely amaze you. In today's video, I'll introduce you an amazing generative AI tool that lets you train it on your photos. Following that, you can create photos with various styles, scene or poses. The best part? No need for an expensive desktop or laptop. It works perfectly fine with your regular mobile device, laptop or desktop. Plus, it's completely free to use. We have only scratched the surface of this AI beast. Get ready for 3 jaw-dropping features that will make you rethink everything you know about these tools. And I really don't want you to sleep on the features of this AI tool. So be sure to stick around for the entire video. If you find it cool, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Alright, let's jump in. First, you need to visit this website. The URL is ArtFlow.ai and you will also find the link in the description. Now let's move on to creating a free account. Click on the sign up button to get started. Alright, we are on the registration page now. If you want, you can sign up with your Google account in just one click. But for this tutorial, I'm going to use a disposable account. So first, I'm going to enter a username here and my username is Xenzia 77 and then I need an email address. So for this, I'm going to use a disposable account. So in a new tab, navigate to temp mail, then click on this first link. Okay, now I will grab a disposable email account from here and I'll just copy it. So after that, I will paste it in the email field. Next, I'm going to set a password. Then we have to click on create account. Now it is asking for email verification. We will go back to the temporary mail. Check the inbox for the verification link, similar to how it works on Gmail. Once you have it, a simple click will register the account. Alright, now hit that continue to ArtFlow button and boom, you are on the ArtFlow's website. To start with, we have 4 features: Character Builder, Image Studio, Video Studio and Story Studio, currently in beta testing but still usable. Character Builder allows you to create characters by training the AI on anyone's photos, understanding their appearance, hairstyle, facial features and more. This AI training takes only 15 to 20 minutes and then you can generate photos of the person you trained it on in different styles and poses using simple prompts. Image Studio lets you generate various versions of created images, while Video Studio lets you animate those images. Additionally, Story Studio allows you to create animated stories. So that was just a quick introduction of these tools. Now let's train the AI on images, or you can also say let's build our digital character. First, click on Character Builder, then click on Create Your AI Actor. Here you need to provide some images to train the AI on our photos. And make sure to provide the AI with photos where the face is clearly visible. You can also check out some examples here. Now let's name our character. I will go with Xenzia 777. Next, we will specify the gender and age. I'm gonna select male and character age. So I'm gonna continue with adult. Our last step is to upload a minimum of 10 and maximum of 20 images to train the AI. So I have these 10 images and I'm simply going to upload them here. After you have uploaded it, click on Start Training. This training session will last around 15 to 20 minutes. You will have to wait for a bit, but I am skipping this part to show you the results. Hey there, I'm back. And guess what? Our AI has been trained on my photos. It's now ready to use and the training session took around 25 minutes. Right now we are in the Image Studio and you can see some sample images generated by ArtFlow. It has indeed managed facial features very well and I don't think anyone can tell that it's AI generated. However, there are some mistakes and I will also tell you what they are. For now, let's leave it here and generate some images while also understanding some settings. Click on Create Images and you will be taken to its workspace. The first setting we have is the model version. Make sure to always turn it on for realistic and high quality images. Next is the image type. From here you can create general or portrait images. After that is the aspect ratio where you can change the aspect ratio. Then comes director mode, which is a fantastic feature of this AI tool. With this feature you can instruct AI on which shot to generate the image, like mid shot, long shot, close-up shot or extremely close-up shot. For now, let's set it back to the mid shot. Besides that, you can also change the position of the character using director mode. Alright, now here we have the prompt box where we can basically chat with AI and tell it how we want the image to look. For instance, I will type a basic prompt in the black t-shirt. Now we need to choose an actor. Here we are informing AI about which character to use in the image. We will click on actor and then we will select our character. Currently we only have one and I'm going to choose that. Underneath the consistent full body option, we have another feature called exclude from image. This is a negative prompt that allows us to inform the AI about elements we don't want in the image. For instance, first I will enable this option and type in negative descriptors like blurry, low quality, ugly, distorted. Lastly, we have the select style option where we can instruct the AI on which style to apply. By default, cinematic is selected here. If we click on add style, we will find a variety of styles like digital art, fantasy, watercolor and more. Currently, I am not applying any specific style and leaving it with the default selection. Now to generate the image, all we need to do is click on generate. Give it a few moments and your images will be generated with the selected actor. And here are the images. What a fantastic images it has created. To be honest, when I used it for first time, I was shocked. AI has become so advanced and just imagine what it might accomplish in the coming years. These images are incredibly well made. There are just few things not matching perfectly. I mean, in AI generated images, I appear healthier than actually I am, but everything else, the face, hairs, eyes is extremely accurate. You have got to check out this, it's seriously an awesome AI tool. Now let's jump into the Video Studio tool. In the Video Studio, you need to click on create a video and you will be directed to the Video Studio workspace. After that, from the left side panel, choose the image you want to use for your video. I will go with this one. Next, you have to enable mic animation. Now in the dialog box, type whatever you want your actor to say. For example, I'll write here, hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Then in the left side, you need to select the voice. If you want to add the effects to this video, you can do that too. Options like zoom out, zoom in, pan left, pan right. Simply click on the effects, choose your desired effect and then click on export and animate. Now give it a title and click on export. This process will take around 5 to 10 seconds to generate the video, depending on how long your video is. Once it is done, click on it to play the video.
Hello everyone, I am back with another video.
And if you want to download it, just click on download button and it will start downloading. With Story Studio, you can create stories with animated pictures and voiceovers including subtitles. On Story Studio, you will also find some sample stories. Let me play one for you just to see how these videos are made and how the AI voices sound.
Dr. Olivia Stone takes a moment to absorb the awe-inspiring beauty of the Martian landscape. The mission has just begun, but she is already consumed by her quest to uncover the secrets of this mysterious planet. A symphony of science unfurls.
If you want to create your own stories, you can do that by providing a story script or a story prompt. To create your own story, click on New Story. Now it will give you two options. If you don't have a story script, click on the first option, which is Help me to get a story. And if you already have a story script, click on I have a story. Right now I will go with the second option, which is I have a story. Now we just need to provide some basic details like the name, character info and story outline. You can also change the genre if you want, but I will stick with the default settings for now. Alright, now just click on create this story. Okay, time to select the aspect ratio. Let's go with horizontal. Now let's select the visual style for the story. Let's go with realistic. And here is our story. Let's play it and conclude this video with the story. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. And if you found it informative, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.
Xenzia, a lone sailor, clings to a battered raft, his body tossed about by the tumultuous sea. He searches desperately for a glimmer of hope in the vast expanse of water, seeking deliverance from the tempest. The raft collides with jagged rocks, throwing Xenzia onto the desolate beach, leaving him the sole survivor amongst the island's isolation. The crash of the waves echoes in his ears, a haunting reminder of his abandonment. Xenzia stands alone amidst the desolation, his fear and despair amplified by the silence that engulfs him.